Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you where to find the serial number of your laptop. So the serial number is located on the bottom cover of your laptop. So let me show it closer to you. Here you'll find the lid, which you have to slightly pull. And right here you'll be able to find the serial number, which is called service tag, and here is the serial number of your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.